Hi Noah. Don't jump.
You see it.
Hi B. What you doing there?
Santai-santai di luar ni. Angin sepoi-sepoi, angin laut. Jok.
Phew. View from our balcony. No gang. Only us here.
Hello. This place is good.
Are you sure?
Yeah.
Tempat makan ada di depan sini.
What is it?
Dia escape kerja. Tidak, dia tengah rehat. Sambil dia melayan WhatsApp dan minum-minum. Nolan. What are you eating?
Fine.
Kerja di hotel. Makan saja.
Over there. The people, they love upstairs. The people here.
Come, let's go. The weather want to rain now. Don't run, wait for Daddy.
Don't do that.
Come.
Must wait for Daddy, right? Over here.
You must walk together.
Yeah.
See? Swim at your own risk. Swim at your own risk. Swim at your own risk. No lifeguard on duty. Royal Chulan, see? Royal Chulan. Come, let's go.
Which is like this. Oh my God.
See the laut so deras.
Oh.
You want to play sand?
Yes.
Where you to make sand? Here? You want to walk first, huh?
I'll make them faster.
Shall we walk there first? And then we go here, okay?
But I'm so scared.
With Daddy lah. Walk with Daddy, come. Huh?
Wanna play?
Yeah, continue lah. Continue.
Baru boleh nampak. Nah, boleh. Tak. Tak. Lepas ni nak balik dah. Ya. Ya tak? Ha? See you at Wabo.
Ini adalah Royal Chulan Villa, guys. Tadi kami sini lah bengkel, guys. Di sini di bawah ni dekat swimming pool ni. Cantik kan, guys? Ni cantik ni view dia. Kalau lepas saya lihat ni syok lah. Tengok atas tu. Tengok yang atas tu. Yang ada cermin tu. Oh, itu syok. Itu VIP punya saya rasa. So kita tengok orang surfing, guys. Tengok. Tengok luas. Harap tidak hujan lah. Ramai orang surfing. Ingin orang surfing dia. Ni semua orang surfing, guys. Syok lah tengok orang surfing. Tengok. Bermula daripada hujung sana. Dia orang akan pergi ke sini, guys. Sini sampai sini. Ombak ni cantik kan? Ni ada yang sudah balik ni. Dia orang surfing. Syok. Yang tu hebat tujuh orang tu. Macam mau pasang air ni, guys. Kalau kita disuruh tu bestnya ombak. Dia orang ready berenang di sana, menangkap ombak. Tu Mam. Syok tengok dia orang sliding sana. Say something.
Panas.
Dia dah panas pun mendung ni.
Malas di sini.
Hah?
Dia malas di sini.
Mana ni? Mana mendung ni? Apa cuaca ni? Besok X Castle. Tidak Castle pun. Say hi something.
Hi.
How are you? Happy? Can play what sand? Happy?
Huh?
Can play sand? You happy or not?
Yes.
So where's your castle? Still not make castle pun?
I just won.
Nasi dalamnya. Dia ada siap apa pun.
Baru make this.
Hah?
I baru make it this.
Hey, what you two doing?
Swimming pool.
Huh?
Di cakap.
Eh, don't. No. Tuh, basah tadi.
Cakap tak boleh mandi sana, mandi sini.
Adalah saya dia nanti dia orang tertarik dalam nanti. Buatlah castle, mana castle-nya?
Oh, mana?
Weh, castle mah. Sini pun boleh buat castle, ada air lagi senang buat castle. Buat.
So over there, I also play the big one.
Tiada sini.
Big one, sana. Huh? Yeah, big one. Yeah.
Hah?
I want the biggest castle.
Where?
Over there, got picture ada.
Show tadi.
Kan here, Roland.
Tu je castle kau itu. Tidak macam castle pun tu. Macam gunung berapi je.
Ya, gunung.
Ya, castle kan macam tu lah. Oh, kau tiada tool. Lihat tiada tool mau buat kah?
Tiada.
Tiada yang apa tu, baldi dia kan. Pergilah sana.
Baik.
Hah. Jadi gua apa? Panas. Careful. No lah here. With mom deh. Careful with this one tajam ni. Kulit kerang ni.
My place tiada apa-apa.
Ni kulit kerang tajam ni. Ti luka. Hai. Masin kan? Masin kan wah? Air masin kan? Salty kan? Nanti petang sikit baru naik tu mak. Sampai sini tu. Wah, don't throw it tadi lah.
I still want to do.
Okay lah, ini gua up dia lah. Hah?
I find it.
Tu mam dulu.
I got it. I got mug.
Yes.
I got mug.
What you make?
I got something.
Mana ada make tu? Mana air buat lubang?
No, that is Mary.
Mary.
Mary? What you mean?
If you want to marry this dog,
If you want to marry someone, you only give this one?
I give you that one to kiss daddy. No? Yes.
Where's the 50,000 girl want to reject you if you only give this one? Must be diamond.
Kalau tanah yang sama, oh ya. We are making some.
Baru kita interview. Baru masuk group.
You sandal. Sit back.
Then hungry kah?
Like this. No, you facing
Oh.
back.
Why you eat me lah?
Like this.
Noah? You hungry?
No hungry.
Hungry? Say something more.
What you eating?
Maggi soup. Maggi soup?
Maggi ayam.
Maggi ayam.
Soup ayam.
Sedap ah?
Sedap or not? Sedap or not, Disney?
Eh?
You see
See?
Daddy ni?
Donut.
Tell Daddy.
Wah.
Yummy sedap. Dad. Daddy record.
Sedap.
Sedap. Dolan sedap.
Tak tahu.
Ay, itu kan tak tahu.
Rasa.
Ni tempat kami guys. Tengok. Gunung sana ada pokok kelapa.
So everything people already put inside here. Nah. So,
Ni laluan ke sana tu sana.
not anymore.
Okey.